Hello, I'm Amna and I'm going to tell you how to start a social media marketing as a beginner. Starting social media marketing as a beginner can be exciting. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First of all, you need to define your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your social media marketing, whether it's the brand awareness, it's website traffic, lead generation, sales. Clear goals will guide your strategy. Choose your platforms. Select the social media platforms that align with your target audience and goals. Common choices like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Create a content plan. Plan your content in advance. Decide what type of content you'll create, example, post, videos, or stories. How often you'll post and the topics you are going to cover. Then optimize the profile. Set up or optimize your social media profiles. Use a consistent profile picture, cover photo, and so your biodata that reflect your brand's identity. Content creation. Start creating and sharing the valuable and the engaging content. It could be posts, images, videos, or a mix of both. Ensure that your content is visually appealing and provides value to your audience. Consistency is key. Stick to a posting schedule to maintain a consistent online presence. This helps build trust and keeps your audience engaged. Respond to comments, messages, and mentions properly. Engagement is crucial for building the relationships with your followers, for which you need to engage with your audience, and it is very important. Use hashtags. Research and use relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your posts. Analyze and adjust. Monitor your social media analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Then paid advertising. Consider using paid advertising on social media to reach a larger audience and achieve specific objectives. Start with a small budget and scale as you gain experience. Learn from others. Follow the successful social media marketers and brands in your niche to gain the inspiration and insights. Stay updated. Social media platforms are constantly evolving. Stay informed about the algorithm changes, new features, and best practices. Measure ROI, which is return on investment. Track the results of your efforts by measuring key performance indicators tied to your goals. This will help you determine the return on investment of your social media marketing. Stay ethical. Follow the ethical guidelines and respect privacy laws when collecting and using data from your audience. Keep learning. Social media marketing is a dynamic field. Continuously educate yourself through courses, blogs, and industry news to stay up to date. Remember that success in social media marketing takes time and patience. Be prepared to adapt your strategy as you learn what works best for your audience and goals. Thank you very much for listening to us. Please subscribe our channel and ask questions as many as you can.